everyone, my name is Amber. Welcome back to Fabricating Fringe. Today I am excited to share with you guys this beautiful topper, and this is actually from the Hair Click. I have never shared anything from the Hair Click before, so I'm really excited to share this topper with you guys today. I don't know if you guys follow the Hair Click on Instagram or some of her other social media platforms. She actually has a Facebook group, and I'll have all those links down below to all of her social media platforms. But she has such beautiful hair. Her lace wigs are divine. I have got to get my hands on one of her lace wigs because they are absolutely beautiful. But for all my topper girls out there, she actually has some gorgeous toppers available as well, and they're absolutely beautiful as well. This hair is like butter. It feels so great. The cap construction is very durable. It feels wonderful. This can easily be pulled up, half up, or up in a ponytail. It's been custom colored with some very subtle, slight highlights. But all in all, the base color is a medium neutral brunette to match my biological hair. And that's what you want to do with your toppers, is for the most part, you want that base color to match your biological hair because you wear it, you know, with your bio hair. You want it to blend and integrate with your bio hair pretty well. So this is a great color match. I did add a little bit of Roots Touch Up right there in the front hairline, just because, you know, it was a little bit sparse, but for the most part, it matches quite well. My bio hair is just slightly, maybe a little bit lighter, but really great match. I love these slight highlights. I think it adds some beautiful dimension within this color. It's not overdone. It's really pretty. Now, I don't know if you guys saw the try on, the quick sped up version. Maybe I'll hurry and throw that on up. It's like a minute long, so why not? I'll just throw it on real quick. If you guys would like to contact Edith at the Hair Click, she has such a beautiful variety of options, beautiful wigs and toppers, and her packaging is spectacular. Nice sturdy box with this silk carrying case that the hair comes in, so she, you know, doesn't scrimp and scrape on the details at all. And that goes for the hair as well. So let me take this off and actually show you guys the underside of this topper. As you can see, this is a silk top, so you can part it every which way. This is individually hand tied, so you can, you know, have lots of availability for creative styling. You can part it and braid it. You can do twists. I mean, it looks like the hair is growing out of your scalp. This is a pretty good base size as well. It's 7 by 7 inches. I would say this length is probably about 17 inches, maybe close to 18 inches. I wouldn't say my bio hair reaches 20 inches. I did have to trim it just a little bit, but my bio hair was so stringy and dead on the end, so that didn't bother me any. Anyway, this is just absolutely gorgeous, and this hair feels so nice. So let me show you that underside like I had talked about. Voila, look at the difference. As you can see, I do have that root touch up right at that hairline. What I love about this topper is it does have that comb right up at the front. There it has her logo, the hair click, and it has 4 pressure sensitive clips. Right here is where you have the silk parting area. And then behind that silk, you have closed wefting, and that just adds, you know, more bulk, more length, more hair, more coverage. Toppers like these are fantastic if you have thin hair in your crown, in your part, or if you just want more oomph, more volume. If you want to cover up a regrowth, go a little bit more, you know, length in between your visits at the salon. There are many different reasons why a topper would work for you. You don't necessarily have to have hair loss to enjoy the benefits of a hair topper, but the transformations that you do get when you do use a topper and you're dealing with thin, fine hair, it's pretty incredible. So let's put her back on and look at that transformation. Let's put this baby back on. This is where you integrate your front hairline. Because this doesn't have a lace front, people typically, you know, integrate their front hairline with it. There are some people that wear toppers like these right up to the hairline, to each their own. Everybody kind of does their own thing. Some people will trim a bang into these toppers, and that can be done. You can take these into your local salon and have them customized. You can have them trimmed into your biological haircut. You can add more highlights, more color. You can do anything to basically customize this piece to make it your own. That's the beauty of human hair, is you can basically make it an extension of yourself. It can be styled the way that you would do it, curled, cut, colored, just done the way that you prefer. And it's so easy with human hair because there's so much flexibility. Now this human hair is so soft. You can tell it's really healthy. It feels fabulous. I want to thank Edith at the Hair Click for giving me the opportunity to share this hair with you guys today. Let me know what you think about this topper, what you think about the transformation, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment below. Go follow the Hair Click over on Instagram, and myself, I'm over there daily. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye!